forest. This is cool. We're way up now. We are on, this is like built up so that we felt like we're living in the trees until it finally climaxes with a big bird's nest. That's right, you get to go into a bird's nest and feel like what it feels like to, I don't know what those brown things are, they're really ugly, but whatever. What it feels like to live in a bird's nest.